Good morning, friends. Okay, this is lesson 95 and 96 for Friday, the April 3rd already. Oh my gosh. We're going to look at skip counting. So remember, skip counting is just repeated adding, right? So when we're skip counting by twos, we go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and you can go on for as long as you can. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Okay, that's just counting by twos. Now let's do counting by fives. Now this one's a little bit easier because this one we did since the very beginning of the year. So it goes 5, 10, 15. Now each time I'm adding another 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay? That's counting by fives. Now, tens are really simple. Tens, you guys know like the back of your hand. So, counting by tens? What comes after 10? Good. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100. If you need to pause that to get those numbers down, that's fine. You can go ahead and do that, but I'm going to move on. Complete the sentence to describe the picture. Write an addition equation. Remember, an equation always has an equal sign for the picture. So I have how many sets of how many hockey goals. Okay, so each one of these is a set. Each one of these is a set. So how many sets do I have? I have 3 sets. We have 1, 2, 3 sets. And how many hockey goals are in each set? How many hockey goals are in each set? 1, 2. Okay, I have 3 sets of 2 hockey goals. How many altogether? How many do I have altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 3 sets of 2 hockey goals is 6 goals. Okay, I could also say 2, 4, 6. That's where it gets easier. So I say 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. Just like we did up here, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. Okay, we can do this. We got it. Okay, how many sets of hockey sticks do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4 sets. And how many hockey sticks are in a set? How many hockey sticks are in one circle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. There are 5 sticks in each circle. Okay, so let's count by fives. I have 5 here, plus another 5, plus another 5, plus another 5. So let's count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. Cool, 20 sticks. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. Perfect. So what this does is skip counting and repeated addition like this makes it a lot easier to find big numbers because you don't have to sit there and count every single one. Okay. Blank bags of hockey balls is how many hockey balls? How many bags do I have here? How many bags do I have? I have 3 bags. And how many balls are in each bag? How many balls are in each bag? Good, 10 balls. So if I have 10 here, plus another 10, plus another 10, 10, 20, 30. So 3 bags of 10 hockey balls is 30 hockey balls. Okay, let's flip it over to the back. I'm going to explain what I want you to do, and then you're going to do it. It's exactly like the front. So, you're going to find out how many boxes of crayons there are, and how many crayons are in each box. And you're going to add up those crayons to tell you how many crayons there are total. Same thing for the cages of bunnies. How many cages are there? How many bunnies are in each cage? And how many bunnies total? Ooh, yummy deviled eggs. How many plates of eggs are there? How many eggs are on each plate? And add all those up to find the total number of eggs. Okay? I want you to do the time to review on this one. Easy peasy. You're just telling me if this mark the sum or mark NH if the sum is not here. So if this does not equal the sum, you put not here. If you do see the sum, you circle one of those little numbers, okay? Let's go to lesson 96. Same thing. Same thing. But now, instead of just repeated addition, we're going to start calling it multiplication, which is exactly what you're doing, believe it or not. Okay, so I have how many sets of bugs? 1 set of bugs, 2 set of bugs, 3 set of bugs. I have 3 sets. How many bugs are in each section? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 sets of 4 is, well, how much is 3 sets of 4? If you're one of the people that's already on multiplication, this would be 3 times 4 is 12. Good. If you're not on multiplication yet, don't worry about it because I'm going to walk you through it. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 4 is 12. So I wrote my 4 1, 2, 3 times. 3 times 4 is the exact same as 4 plus 4 plus 4. And it's a lot easier to say. Let's look at the caterpillars. How many sets of caterpillars do I have? 2 sets of caterpillars. And how many caterpillars are in each? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 2 sets of 5 is how many? 5 plus 5 is 10. Sorry guys, my 3-year-old had a fit, so we had to work that out. 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 equals 10. We know that, right? We have 5 fingers on each hand. 5 plus 5 is 10. Now, I'm going to take my 2 and bring it down here. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 5 equals 10. Okay? How many sets of flies do I have? How many sets of flies? I have 4 sets, and how many flies are in each circle? 2. So, we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Okay, so 4 sets of 2 is also 8. How can I write this as a multiplication problem, though? 4 times 2 equals 8. Okay, we can do this. Picture the sentence and solve. 2 sets of 2 is, okay, I'm just going to use triangles. 2 sets of 2, I have 2 sets of 1, 2. How many triangles do I have total? 4, good. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 plus 2 is 4, but 2 times 2 is also 4. 2 times 2 is also 4. All right, 3 sets of 10. Well, they're really going to make us work for this. Let's just do dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's one set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's another set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's your third set. So if I'm going to count, and if you need to pause the video, you can pause the video right now, okay? I'm going to go 10, 20, 30. I'm counting by tens, okay? So 3 sets of 10 is 30. So 10 plus 10 plus 10, 10 here, 10 here, and 10 here, is 30. And I bring down my 3. 3 times 10 is 30. Cool. Let's flip it over. Okay, on the back, what they want you to do is they want you to tell how many sets, and if you need to circle it, how many sets of how many scoops is what? So this is 3 sets of 2. Okay, I'm just going to do that top section with you. So that is an awful 2. My goodness. 3 sets of 2. Okay? How many sets do I have here? 4 sets of how many scoops? 3. 4 sets of 3. Good. I'm going to let you do these sections, okay? Picture the sentence and solve. This is exactly like the ice cream one you just did, but I'm going to draw a picture for one of them just to get you started. So 3 sets of 6. I'm going to divide up my little blue box into 3 sets. And let's do hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 1 set of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 2 sets of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 3 sets of 6, okay? Now what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to add 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals what? And 3 times 6 equals what? Okay? You got this. If you need to look back at the front, look back at the front. You can absolutely do this. It does follow a pattern. I do want you to write the times. I do want you to write the times. Remember, the shorthand is the hour, and the longhand, the longhand is the minute. Okay? And we're counting by 5s all the way around. All right, my friends. Good job. I'm proud of you.